Just like it slimmed down the latest iPad Pro, Apple is reportedly working on a significantly thinner iPhone, which could debut as part of the iPhone 17 lineup, potentially replacing the Plus model, according to the information. This new model is expected to represent a major design shift, comparable to the leap seen with the iPhone X. Although the final design hasn't been confirmed, Apple is exploring several possibilities, including an aluminum chassis. The front-facing camera and Face ID sensors might be integrated into a smaller pill-shaped cutout, while the rear camera array could be repositioned to the center of the phone to minimize the risk of covering the lenses with fingers. The display size is anticipated to fall between the current base iPhone and the iPhone Pro Max, approximately between 6.12 and 6.69 inches. This slimmer iPhone could be more expensive than the current iPhone Pro Max, which starts at $1,200, giving potential buyers some time to save up. The iPhone 16 Plus is expected to be released, but it might be the last of its kind due to underwhelming sales. This year's iPhone models are likely to focus more on AI advancements rather than major design changes, although there might be a new touch-sensitive button on the side for improved camera control. iOS 18 is set to make the iPhone experience more enjoyable. In this week's Power On newsletter, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman revealed that AI-generated emojis will be one of the new features Apple plans to unveil at WWDC next month. Gurman mentioned that Apple is developing software capable of creating custom emojis on the spot, based on users' text messages. This addition could lead to some highly entertaining and unique emoji creations. Additionally, Apple is reportedly enhancing customization options for iPhone users, allowing more flexibility with app icons and home screen layouts. Users may soon be able to change the color of app icons and arrange them more freely, moving away from the traditional grid layout. This would be a significant change for Apple, offering users more creative control over their home screens. However, these details are still rumors, so they should be taken with a grain of caution. As the annual developers conference approaches on June 10th, there is considerable speculation about Apple's AI initiatives. Rather than introducing anything too extravagant, Gurman suggests Apple will focus on practical AI applications. Expected announcements include a partnership with OpenAI and AI enhancements for features such as Safari searches, Siri, photo retouching, and voice memo transcriptions. Additionally, Apple might introduce smart recaps for notifications, web pages, and more. The current third-generation iPhone SE, modeled after the iPhone 8, is Apple's smallest device with a 4.7-inch display, thick bezels, and a Touch ID home button. However, this design is expected to change with the next update. Rumors suggest that the fourth-generation iPhone SE will adopt an all-display design similar to Apple's flagship iPhones, eliminating the Touch ID home button in favor of Face ID. The upcoming iPhone SE is anticipated to resemble the iPhone 14, featuring a notch with Face ID biometric authentication instead of the traditional Touch ID home button. Following the transition to USB-C with the iPhone 15 lineup, the iPhone SE4 is also expected to incorporate a USB-C port. Unlike the dual-lens camera of the iPhone 14, the iPhone SE4 will likely feature a single-lens camera to maintain a lower cost, possibly including the 48-megapixel main lens used in the iPhone 15. Additionally, Apple might introduce a multi-function action button to the iPhone SE, replacing the mute switch. This feature debuted on the iPhone 15 Pro models and is expected to be standard across all of Apple's flagship devices by the time the iPhone SE4 is released. The Apple Watch X is anticipated to have a slimmer profile, achieved through the use of a new resin-coated copper motherboard. This advancement could accommodate a larger battery or additional components without increasing the overall thickness of the watch. There is speculation that the Apple Watch X might feature micro-LED display technology, which would provide brighter, more vibrant colors and better energy efficiency compared to the current OLED displays. However, mixed reports indicate that while Apple has considered this technology, it may not be included in the Apple Watch X due to high production costs and minimal improvements over existing technologies. Additionally, the rumored inclusion of a blood pressure monitor could represent a significant advancement, offering users more detailed health data and proactive alerts to potential health issues. Recently, reliable Apple insider Ming-Chi Kuo mentioned that the next-generation Apple AirPods Pro will be released in late 2024 or early 2025, indicating that the current generation will remain available for some time. This follows last year's Wonderlust event, where Apple unveiled an updated version of the AirPods Pro 2 featuring a USB-C port instead of the Lightning port. If the AirPods Pro 3 are launched this year, they are anticipated to arrive between September and October 2024. However, Mark Gurman has suggested that the release could potentially be pushed to 2025. For many, they are the headphones to beat. The successor to Apple's popular and sole over-ear headphones, the AirPods Max 2, is expected to launch later this year. Rumors about the AirPods Max 2 have been circulating online since last December. The speculation gained momentum when Mark Gurman from Bloomberg reported that the new AirPods Max would be released in late 2024. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.